Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to off this screen touch sound. Guys, you want to off this settings, so guys you can off this screen touch sound in your oppo phone. So let's see how to off this screen touch sound setting in oppo phone. So I first of all open your phone setting to off this setting. After that guys, you can see these types of functions. So you will have to click on guys this sound and vibration setting. Scroll it and guys come on this haptic and tones, and as you can see touch sound. So as click on right option, then get touch sound will off, as you cannot listen your touch screen sound. So I hope friends you have understood how to off touch screen sound in oppo K10 phone. So I hope friends you have understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like and subscribe my channel. Bye.